Okay, good morning students. So we have discussed the questions till question number 7. Now today we will discuss few more questions of this exercise. So in question number 9 it is given that OP is perpendicular to BC, OQ is perpendicular to AC and OR is perpendicular to AB. With the help of this we have to prove these equal to each other. So what we are going to do, we will join OB, OA and OC. So I am joining OB, OA and OC. Okay, this I have written O. Now we will go according to our need. So what we need? AR square, then BP square and CQ square. So how do we start? See, we need AR and BR both. So in this will be common. So I will take in triangle AOR, OA square is equals to OR square plus AR square. Okay. Then what we will do? This is our first. Then in triangle BOR, OB square equal to OR square plus BR square. This is our second expression. Okay. Then what I am going to do? I am going to subtract these two. We will eliminate OR. So subtract 1 and 2. So when you subtract, what you will get? OA square minus OB square equal to so this will cancel. You will get AR square minus BR square. Let this is our third expression. Okay, this we will use. Then we will take in triangle OAQ, OA square is equals to OQ square plus QA square, and in triangle OQC, OC square is equals to OQ square plus QC square. Okay. So again we will subtract these two. So when we subtract, this will cancel. You will get OA square minus OC square equal to QA square minus QC square. This is our fourth expression. Then this set is left only. So now in triangle OBP, OB square is equals to BP square. Okay. Then in triangle OPC, OC square equal to OP square plus PC square. So again we will subtract these two. So you will get OB square minus OC square equal to BP square minus PC square. Let this is our fifth expression. Okay. So if you see very carefully in these expressions, this is OA square, this is OA square, this is OB square. So what we need? We need these values. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to eliminate this OC. And how I can eliminate OC? We will subtract 4 and 5. So it will be OA square minus OC square equal to QA square minus QC square and OB square minus BP square minus PC square. So I will subtract. So this will cancel. It will give me OA square minus OB square equal to QA square minus BP square plus PC square minus QC square. Okay. So this is our sixth equation. So many manipulations we have done. We have eliminated the values. I got these three equations. Then what I need, OA square minus OB square. So I have subtracted these two. After subtracting, I got this value. So now what we are going to do, we are going to okay. So from 3 and 6. So we are going to compare the value of OA square minus OB square both sides. So you will get AR square minus BR square is equals to QA square minus BP square plus PC square minus QC square. So I will take all the negative values here and this will go there. So finally it becomes okay. So this is what we need to prove. So hence proof. Okay. So concentrate on your proof. Then identify the right angle triangles in which you can get these values and then try to eliminate the unnecessary values so that only the necessary values will be there in your proof. Okay, so let's discuss this 10th question. Diagonals of rhombus ABCD. So ABCD is a rhombus. It is given. So that means all the sides will be equal to each other. What else we know about the rhombus? In case of the rhombus, diagonals are the perpendicular bisectors. That is, AC is perpendicular to BD and OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. So whenever you are solving the problems related to certain geometrical figures, you should need to know the properties of rhombus. So in case of the rhombus, all sides are equal and diagonals are perpendicular bisector. That means this angle is 90 degree and these two portions are equal to each other. Okay, like this. Now we have to prove OA square plus OC square is equals to twice AD square minus 2BD square by 2. So we will proceed. How? So what we need? We need OA and OC. So I will take in triangle OAB. AB square is equals to OA square plus OB square. This is our first. So from here I will take out the value of OA. So OA square is AB square minus OB square. Okay, this is our first equation. Then what we need? OC. So in triangle OBC, BC square is equals to OC square plus OB square. So what we need OC, so I will take OC square equal to BC square minus OB square. This is my second equation. Now what I need, we need the sum of these two. So I will add 1 and 2. So when I add 1 and 2, what I will get? OA square plus OC square equal to AB square minus OB square plus BC square minus OB square. Okay. Now in our proof, what we need? AD and BD. So we will use this property first, that is AB equal to AD. So I will substitute, put AB equal to BC equal to AD, since all the sides are equal to each other, and since OB is equals to OD, so OB will be equal to how much? BD by 2, half of this. So OA square plus OC square, AD square minus BD upon 2 square plus AD square minus BD square upon 2. So it will give you twice AD square minus 2 into BD square upon 4, cancel. So finally this is over. Okay. So what we understood from this question, whenever we are solving the question related to certain geometrical figure, we need to know the property of this geometrical figure. And you will start with the given proof, take out the given values, then according to the given proof you will operate it, and then start and do the necessary substitution if it is required, like I have substituted. When you substitute it, you will get the desired result. So that's all for today. So we have discussed till question number 10. In the next videos we will discuss after question number 10. Thank you.